Hi, welcome back to the channel. My name is Anastasia. I'm your go-to holistic health and fitness expert. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, I highly advise you to subscribe to the channel right now in order to not miss out any piece of content in the future. So make sure to put notification on and you would be ever notified about every single piece of content that I create and upload for you on a daily basis to improve your health, to correct your habits, and for you to become the best and the healthiest version of yourself. This is my mission, this is my channel, this is why I created, for sharing my knowledge, my expertise of 15 years of experience living holistic way of living, trying several, not only several, 70 diets in 2 years of practicing as a professional model, being professional athlete, being professional swimmer within Ukraine, and following the path and lifestyle and diet as an athlete, following the path as a lifestyle and diet as a model, living as an expert for 13 years in 5 countries over 2 continents, again, nutrition, lifestyle, habits, all of this knowledge, which after I pack it and study within Ayurveda, with yoga, Pilates, meditation, homeopathy, I combine and I live within holistic way of living to heal the body, to heal the human body inside and out, naturally, realistically, with real food items, with the whole food items, in the name of optimal health, longevity, and anti-aging. This is all possible. This is not a myth. This is not about selling some magic pill or supplements. This is about knowledge that you can heal yourself. This is what I'm sharing here. For the advanced people who are more interested in this, you can always book free consultation call with me on the links down below: LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, Gmail. You can send me a message. We can schedule a free consultation call where I will study where you are right now, what is your current situation, what is your struggle, and I will offer for you custom-made coaching program where I will guide you for 3 to 6 months up to your choice, and I will transform your health. I will transform your inner health, means your organs, how it's sustained, your physical appear, your aliveness from A to Z. Totally 180-degree flip. It does not matter where you are right now. Even when we think that we are already healthy, it says still work in progress. Even me, with all my knowledge, expertise, I still do work in progress. There is still room to improve. So enough for intro. In today's video, I want to share with you another downside of a low-carb diet. This is again so promotional, so getting hype and famous about let's try low-carb diet, because carbs are so bad, you need just to throw them out of your menu for good and you will lose weight, you will shred, you will get your muscle and you would be happy. But you need to also know the downside. Not all carbs are bad. You cannot cut them just like this. They are being created, they are in our food menu not by an accident. You need those elements, but you need the healthy one. And let me tell you what's happening when you cut them. I will tell you today, let's say, something about 6 major minuses when you go on a low carb diet. Let's start with the first, which is it's not efficient to go on a low carb diet. Even if you are preparing for a Miss Universe, Mr. Universe, if you are like bodybuilder, it still does not make any efficient sense. First of all, for your health, because you are cutting your carbs, particularly for some period of time, let's say a couple of months, half a year. I doubt that you go more than half a year. And then even for people who do not train and go for a kind of competition but just follow low carb in the name to lose weight, to get the skin less body fat, etc., etc. But still, you need to understand that it does not make any efficient result. Even if you drain yourself, even if you put yourself into the frame, let's say, to be on a low carb diet for 6 months, after you're done there, you will gain the same amount of kilograms, even more, much faster than 6 months. Believe me, I'm telling you. It goes very fast. It does not make any efficient sense when you starve yourself, when you drain your body from nutrients, and then you lose weight and then you gain again. And it's so much imbalance and stress for your body, for your hormonal level, when you go on a low carb and then you have carbs again. So it does not make any efficient sense. No. Number two, it is very hard on liver and kidney. It's give liver and kidney strain. What does it mean? It means that body, when it is on a low carb diet, it produces a lot of ketones. And who consume ketones? Consume liver and kidney. So there is more strain. They are already working hard 24/7 for our body to sustain your health, to sustain your body, to sustain all this machine. And remember that liver is such an important organ. It's number 2 after your heart. So when you overstrain, that the liver overwork, it's getting older fast and you cannot replace one. Okay, there is a pharma promising us something with a 3D tester, but still you need to be realistic and care what you have inside the real, your authentic piece of organs. So think about this low carb downside. Number 3, it's also very hard on hydration. So our body is 80% sustained of water. When we go on a low carb diet, our food drastically change from what we have, because particularly people who go on a low carb diet, they want a kind of fast results, and then hence their diet change is so drastic from what they was before and what they eat after. So they go on very much more often urination, they go to the toilet much more often, so hence dehydration happen in their system. With the urination, electrolytes leaving the body, and then hence your body again and again in a state, in a mood of dehydration. Even if you drink again water, you again urinate, and again you lose electrolytes, so you are in this consistent mood of dehydration. And look here, the fun fact. People who follow low carb, especially on top with the low fat, because there is some fanatic people who mixed 2 of them, or also low fat or low carb separately, the people who follow this diet, they age faster, because they do not have enough of healthy fats, enough of healthy carbs, which your body needs to sustain, to grow, to work. And when you cut them off, your skin gets dull, gets aged, gets tired, gets puffiness, gets extra wrinkles, fine lines. It does not have the material to sustain this useful, beautiful, glowing element on your skin, in your eyes, because you do not have enough of microelements and nutrients. Then we have number 4, it's of course nutrients deficiency and microelements deficiency. What does it mean? It means when you cut carbs, your diet is go very drastically down. So hence you do not get enough of fiber, you do not have enough of protein, because your food options are very limited, and hence your whole system is downsized. In an optimal health approach, it's downsized because you do not give your body enough of microelements. So number 5 is does not being sustainable, because most of the time you also feel dissatisfied, because you feel that you do this diet because of, let's say, your goal is to lose 5 kilo, 10 kilo, or you go for a certain goal with your muscle reshape, or you just want to lose weight, or you want to lose this belly fat or something like that. And in the name of this goal, you are suffering because you cannot eat a lot of food items, and hence you do not get taste satisfaction from the food, because you still need but healthy option, whole food option, not processed one. Even also, let's go for a number 5, there is a poor option when you go on a low carb. There is a lot of people think when they go on a low fat, low carb, veganism, vegetarian, and still when they go on a processed fast food shopping, they still think that they are healthy and they follow this diet. But no, just eat everything, but understand that you need to eat real food, whole food, rich food items. Anything that's been processed have so many names inside of green ingredients that make you feel that it's some kind of alien language, because you do not know the meaning of this word. It means it does not have any food inside. It does not make any good for you. Do not eat these items. So in a short, that is the downside of a low carb diet. On top of it, I want to add that following certain diet and being fanatic about it, it's very poor direction. You need to understand that your body needs power, needs nutrients, needs microelements, needs healthy fats to sustain the body, to sustain your organs inside, their work smooth, digestive system smooth, your circulation of your blood smooth. Everything needs to be smooth in a name that you have a power to work out, to exercise, to go to the office, take a flight to other part of the world, to not get so hard on a jet lag, still do those presentations, still meet with your board of directors, still to perform your project, complete your project, take care of a family, take care of your husband, of your wife. There's a lot of things in life, agree. For all of this you need power, but you cannot rely to get that power from caffeine, nicotine, alcohol, supplements, energetic drinks. This is all poison. You need to get a real food items, and you need to learn how to identify when your body signal what the kind of elements it's needing. And you need to learn. This is such a great tool, great knowledge to understand, because it's not that I feel like I want to have a chocolate cake, or I want to feel like I'm eating McDonald's, I'm eating McDonald's. No, your body give you impulse that it needs particular micro elements, but you wrongly take this to the old way of eating, and you're going for a fast food. You need to understand that eating right, eating real food, eating whole food, cut off junk food, cut off processed food, cut off sugar. It's not a diet when you go Atkins, when you go Mediterranean. It's basically a healthy version of lifestyle when you cut off the garbage food. I have one video about garbage food and all about this industry of fast food. Unfortunately, not many people are interested to watch this video. I highly recommend for you to watch this piece of content. There's a lot of knowledge and insights for you to look after this video on the food chain, on a grocery when you do, on the food that your kids eating, or maybe your nephew eating, and you would be having an eye-opening. Why do you give poison for yourself and for your loved one? Because we all want to have a healthy, beautiful and glowing life. So this is what I wish for you. This is what I want to deliver to you, this knowledge. So please do look what you eat. Eat real food, whole food, fresh food, raw food, natural, real. All right. Hope you like this video. Put a thumbs up if you like. Share with someone who need to know, someone who think or go on a low carb diet. Let them know that there is a better way to lose the weight, to get in the shape, than just go on such a drastic diet with a downside for health. And do not forget that you have an opportunity to book a call with me for a further investigation of your situation and getting a help, expert help to change your health, to change your lifestyle, and for you to become the best version of yourself. This is it for this video, and I will see you in the next one.